One of the things we do in Photoshop more often than we realize is opening up the color picker for the foreground color by clicking here. And then choosing the color whatever we like and hitting OK, then painting. And if you want to change it, again clicking here, choosing the color, let's go for green. Instead of doing such a long process, why not assign a shortcut for it? So, only have to do, go to Edit and select Keyboard Shortcuts. From the Shortcuts for drop-down menu, we need to choose Tools. Now, scroll down. You're going to find some interesting things. At the bottom, you'll see this foreground color picker and the background color picker. For now, let's just map foreground color picker. Use any key that you want. Just make sure it's not using an important shortcut. So we're going to choose Y. You see, the shortcut Y is already in use for the History Brush tool. Or maybe the Art History Brush tool, but I don't use them. If you use them, you're going to choose another key. I'm going to hit Accept and hit OK. Now, every time I have to open the color picker for foreground color, all we have to do is to press Y. It opens up the color picker, choose whatever color you like it. Hit OK, paint. Y. Choose color you like, hit OK, paint. See, it's so easy and fast. So, that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share with your friends who are Photoshop users. Lastly, subscribe to Editmax YouTube channel for more amazing tech and editing video. Well, that's me signing off, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.